Okay, so if you've got one of the Whale Submersible Water Pumps, which go on a lot of your Coachmans and your Baileys, it can get airlocks. You can preempt an airlock the first time you're purging the air from the system when you first get to site, you first fill in the water. What you can do before you plug this into the side of the van is just put the pump in the barrel first and give it a little bob up and down shake for about 7 seconds. So if you do this first, so you just give it a little bob, a little shake as best you can. Then you plug this into the side of the caravan. And then hopefully when you go inside, you press your pump button, open your taps, the water's straight through. What can also happen is our airlocks when you're using your system. So you've filled your kettle an hour before, no problem. 3 hours later, you want to fill it again for another cup of tea. Just air, but I know my barrel's full because I only filled it this morning. You turn your pump off on your display in your caravan, you come outside, you grab the inlet here, take it out, and while this is still in the barrel, give it another bob, shake, 7 seconds, plug it back in. Nip back inside, hit your pump button, check your tap, the water should come through beautifully. You can have a lovely cup of tea.